my tires need air. So in this video, we're going to check them and fill them. Coming right up. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. The light on my dashboard says that I need air in my tires. So we're going to go and check the air and we're going to fill it up. Fill them up. It's going to be interesting. It doesn't quite go. Sometimes, well, you'll just have to see. So you're going to need one of these. It's a tire gauge. You can get different kinds. Sometimes they're electric or digital, but I like this kind. It's about the size of a pencil, and it's very cheap. It's like maybe $3. I wouldn't get it like at Wish or Dollar Store, but Walmart or whatever is going to be fine. So on this air gauge, one end has a round head with sort of a hole in it, like I'm showing you in the arrow right now. That goes on the nozzle of the tire. Then the other end has a white bar that comes out. Zoop! And then you can read how many pounds of pressure are in your tire by looking at where that white line stops. In this case, we've got 25 pounds per square inch. That's what PSI stands for. So how do you know how much air you need in your tires? For that, you look in the inside driver's door and you'll see a sticker that looks like this. And it's going to tell you how many pounds per square inch you need in the front tires and in the rear tires. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to take this thingy here that I showed you before, and you're going to look for a nozzle on the tire. And the nozzle is right here. There should be one on each tire, and you're going to unscrew it, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty, and stick this in your pocket because it's very small and will get lost easily. Okay, so next you're going to take the round end of the air gauge and you're going to put it on the tire, but you're going to press. First make sure that this white thing is pushed in. You're going to put it here, and then you're going to press. And when you press, it comes out. It says 30 pounds right now. And oh yeah, be sure to put the little nozzle back on. So now we got to find some air. And there's a Shell station right there. All right, so here's what we're looking for. It's raining, which is kind of a bummer. Okay, so we have a great big tangle of stuff here. First of all, you can use the vacuum here too. But we want the air, which is $1.50, so I do have enough for that. And this is the hose that you're going to use. In theory, when you put this on the tire, you'll be able to use this to check the air pressure. They don't all have this, but this one does. So it's got like this lever thing. If you see one like that, that might be, if it works, that's a big help because you don't have to keep switching between the nozzle and the gas gauge. So we'll see if it works. So let's go ahead and put the quarters in and get it going. Whoa, okay, it'll make a big loud sound. Don't let that scare you. Okay, we're going to try this and see if we can get this to work. But I don't know if it will or not. Okay, so when you put the hose on the nozzle, you're going to press pretty hard, and you're going to hear a hiss if you're pressing hard enough. It should be a soft hiss, like it's coming from inside the tire. That means you got it in the right place. If you're hearing a loud hiss, like there's air escaping, then you need to adjust it until you get that quiet. So we're going for like 33. don't see it going up, so I don't know. All right, let's try this again. Here's the nozzle. I'm hoping you can see this. Push it in. And I guess we just keep it there until it goes up, but it doesn't really seem to be doing that. Oh, okay. You have to squeeze the lever. Okay. And then when you let go, it tells you whether you've got enough air in it or not. So just like the tire gauge that you learned how to use, there's a metal rod that comes out of the hose, and it measures the air pressure. Every time you let go of that lever that you push to put air in, it will tell you how much air is in the tire, and you read it exactly the way you read a tire gauge. Okay, we got 3 out of 4 done. That will have to do because I don't have enough quarters to run it a second time. That totally freaked me out. And I think I just snotted. It seems so simple. There's no yeah. I used to get really mad at myself because I couldn't just, take this in stride. The thing is, just because it scares me doesn't mean I can't do it. And that's true for you too. So you can do this, and it's going to be okay. I have survived. I hope you found that helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to put them down below. Or if you have anything you'd like me to teach you how to do or learn how to do, feel free to put that down also. Please hit like, subscribe, and stay safe, take care, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to go looking for, a thingamajig. God, if I could just get rid of the word thingamajig or thing so that I could actually call things specifically. Oh, God. Okay. That the cold tire, let's see, the pressure, you can see that there's a different, you need to check for both rear and front. Jesus Christ. This is a mess. I need to learn how to do this better.